Hello students, myself Arpana Grover, Senior Faculty Member at Infomaths. Now students, today I'm in front of you to announce a very big news which were always awaited by all of us. That is Unlock 5. Yes, the government is going to announce Unlock 5 by 31st of August 2020, and the main peak features of Unlock 5 is opening of the schools, senior schools and the education institutes. We all were waiting at our home places and feeling nostalgic by staying back at our home places. Schools kab khulenge, colleges kab khulenge, institutions kab khulenge. Now our wait is over. The COVID-19 team headed by Harshvardhan, the Health Minister of India, they have totally taken the decision that they are going to announce the last Unlock 5 by 31st of August, stating that the schools, higher schools, comprising of 10th, 11th and 12th and the education institutes are going to be opened from 1st of September 2020. So our much awaited news is now open. So again, pack up your bags, start your preparations now. So don't feel कि कब तक हम घर पे बैठेंगे, कब तक हम घर पे पढ़ेंगे. Now you have to come back to your normal routine by having the safe side, by totally following the rules of the government of social distancing, by sanitizing everything according to the government rules and government norms. We have to move together and we have to catch our career. So for our future, we have to come back to the normal routine by following the criteria which the government is putting in front of us. Yes, now start your preparations and start preparing for schools and colleges and education institutes. And it's a very big news for all of us. Hope so we will be having you in our institutes by 1st of September, and we'll be starting our normal classes from 1st of September. So till then, be safe, stay safe and keep studying at home, right?